Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka and today we will discuss the analysis of barbiturates. First of all, these barbiturates are the drugs that act as a central nervous system depressant, and for that reason they can induce a spectrum of reason are called as barbiturates. They are any class of sedative and sleep inducing drugs derived from barbituric acid, which means that they can cause sleep. Talking about the historical background, these are introduced before 1904. Primarily, they are called as diethyl barbituric acid. In 20th century, 2,500 barbiturates were synthesized. 50 out of were eventually employed clinically for treating insomnia. Talking about the adverse effect, short-term effects, slurred speech, confusion, disorientation, for long-time effect, coma, depression and death. They are further classified as long acting barbiturates, which have phenobarbital, methylbarbital, short acting barbiturates, pentobarbital, emobarbitol. Then we have ultra short acting barbiturates, thiopentol and methotrexatol. So these are the different barbiturates. Talking about the mechanism of action, barbiturates act on the channel modulatory side of GABA A receptor and potentiate the GABA intermediated inhibitory effect by increasing the duration of chloride channel opening. At high concentration, barbiturates directly increase chloride ion conduction, that is, they exhibit a GABA facilitatory action. Further, talking about the analysis of barbiturates, common method as per IP, qualitative analysis. First, we have nitrogenous substituted barbiturates. For that, dissolve 5 milligram of substance under examination in 3 ml of hot 0.2 weight by volume solution of cobaltous acetate in methanol and 5 milligram of finely powdered sodium tetraborate and boil. A blue-violet color is produced. Second method we have for non-nitrogenous substitute barbiturates. For this, dissolve 5 milligram of substance under examination in 3 ml of methanol. After that, we will add 0.1 ml of solution containing 10% weight by volume of cobaltous nitrate and 10% weight by volume of calcium chloride. Mix and add with shaking 0.1 ml of dilute NaOH solution. A violet blue color and a precipitate are produced. Next, the qualitative analysis. We have a method TLC. Mobile phase will be chloroform in ratio with ethanol and strong ammonia solution in a ratio of 80 ratio 15 ratio 0.5. 0.5. For the test solution, we have a 0.1% weight by volume solution of the substance in ethanol 95%. Rafton solution, a solution of 0.1% weight by volume solution of the corresponding Rafton substance in ethanol, 95%. Next in the procedure, we will apply to the plate 10 microliter of each solution. Allow the mobile phase to rise up to 18 centimeter. Then remove the plate, allow to dry. Examine the plate under UV light at 254 nanometer. The principal spot in the chromatogram obtained with the test solution corresponding to that in the chromatogram obtained with the reference solution. Next, we have standard retention factor values of barbiturates in TLC. Amonobarbitol having the RF value 0.4, L-barbitol 0.31, butobarbitol 0.39, cyclobarbitol 0.35, methylphenobarbitol all that be 0.41, pentobarbitol 0.44, phenobarbitol 0.29, secobarbitol 0.42, vinyl butyl 0.4. So these are the standard retention factor value for the barbiturates in TLC. So that's all we have for today. Thank you and have a nice day.